Hi there, my name is Brian Deegan. I'm one of the co-founders and I'm the CEO of CompanionLabs. On behalf of myself and the rest of the team, welcome aboard. Now, our whole mission at CompanionLabs is to democratize good advertising for everybody, not just the big boys. And how we do it boils down to one word: math. See, if you're an advertiser at a big company like BMW or Procter & Gamble, you have the benefit of teams of data scientists and analysts that are helping you make good advertising decisions. Heck, you probably even have a few agencies that are helping you crunch the numbers as well. But if you're small, this type of support is just a pipe dream. So what do? Well, that's where we come in. Regardless if you're trying to sell products online or drive app downloads, or if you're a service business that's working to generate leads, we can help. And if you're an agency that's supporting these types of clients, we can help you too. Now, when I say we, what I'm really referring to is the CompanionLabs algorithm. It provides the benefit of allowing you to make good, data science-driven advertising decisions to improve performance and save time, but we present it in a way that is super simple to understand, super simple to use, and you can take advantage of it for just dollars a day. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Now, I've broken down this video tutorial into 3 sections. The first section focuses on how CompanionLabs works. When you're interacting with CL, it's really helpful to have a general understanding as to what's occurring. The second video focuses on key CompanionLabs settings that you'll want to review and possibly change based upon your ad account and general advertising preferences. The third video is a checklist of best practices. Now, these best practices aren't necessarily CompanionLabs specific, but they're highly recommended because they lead to good advertising, and the CompanionLabs algorithm is going to assume that these best practices are in place. Now, if you're a new Facebook advertiser, this checklist is likely going to be especially helpful to you. And if you're an experienced advertiser, it'll be a good refresher, but chances are you're already in good shape. Again, I highly recommend that you watch this tutorial from start to finish as each section builds on the last. But again, if you're pressed for time right now, jump to the settings video and watch that first.